Welcome to this second video lecture of concrete production. In previous video lecture, we had discussed about batching or measurement of ingredient methods. Now, in this second video lecture, we will discuss about mixing of concrete. Mixing of concrete means how to mix all those ingredients which we had weighed, which we had batched. Now, this mixing of concrete can be done in two ways. First is hand mixing and another one is machine mixing. Now, the first method of mixing is hand mixing. This hand mixing of concrete, it requires special skill and care during the process for quality control of fresh concrete. The precautions and the correct way of performing hand mixing of concrete is to undergo the mixing process as recommended by standard procedures. Mixing by hand is employed only to specific cases where quality control is not of much importance and quantity of concrete required is less. In this method, stone aggregates is washed with water so that there should not be any dirt, dust or any other foreign matter before mixing. The main purpose of mixing the concrete is to finally obtain a uniform mixture which can show uniformity in color and consistency. Now, what is the procedure for this hand mixing? Because proper care has to be taken for mixing the concrete by hand. So hand mixing should be done on a smooth, clean and watertight platform of suitable size, or you can say of any size as per your requirement or as per the requirement of the site. Now what is this? What are those procedures? First, measured the quantity of sand and spread them evenly. Then the required quantity of cement is dumped over the sand and then again it is also spread evenly. The sand and cement are then mixed intimately using spade by turning over and over again until its color is uniform, or you can say it should be free from sticks. Then the sand cement mixture is spread out again and measured quantity of coarse aggregate is spread on its top. Alternatively, the measured quantity of coarse aggregate is spread out and sand cement mixture is then spread on its top. Both the ways you can do it. The whole mass should be mixed at least 3 times by using shovel and turning over by twist from center to the side, then back again to the center and again to the sides. Then a hollow is made in the middle of mixed pile. 3/4 of total quantity of water required should be added while the materials are turned towards the center with spades. The remaining water is added by a water can fitted with rose head. Now slowly turning the whole mixture again and again till a uniform color and consistency is obtained throughout the pile. 5% extra cement shall be added than the specified for machine mixing when hand mixed cement concrete is produced. Now the required PPEs, that is personal protective equipment, shall be worn by the laborer and mason while mixing and handling the concrete. The mixing platform should be washed at the end of the day. Now after this mixing or during this mixing, some precautions should be taken because some care has to be taken while mixing the concrete by hand. Now what are those precautions? What are those care? This hand mixing procedure must be carried out only for small concrete works because in large concrete work we require large quantity of concrete at a time, for which we must use either a machine mixer or ready mix concrete. The second thing is that, or the second precaution is, the hand mixing must be employed only for works which will give adequate interval time for mixing between the work. This means that we must not mix large quantity very earlier for a work that is going to start later. You should not make a heap in the morning 9 o'clock and you have to, when you have to use that heap at evening time. The third precaution is the mixing procedure must be conducted on a watertight platform. This platform must be impervious so that water will not leach away. That is why this can be done either on a concrete platform or a brick floor or a sheet of mild steel or iron. Now, the next precaution is the floor must have the space to take at least one bag of cement at a time and their respective material, that is water and aggregate. The next precaution is initially the measured quantity of cement and fine aggregate is mixed properly over the watertight platform. This mixing is continued till a uniform mixture is obtained. Now, the coarse aggregate must be placed over this bed of uniform mixture. After completing it, the addition of water should not be done at once. It should be done in intervals, not in a single stretch. Again, this whole mixing must be done uniformly without any hurry. The shovel which you are using to mixing it must be clean. Now during head mixing, it is recommended to avoid large bucket for the measurement, because if you take large bucket, then you have to use large quantity of water. Otherwise, the approximation will become wrong. Every time after the use, the working space must be clean and free from any debris or organic material. Because we face main issue, or the main issue which we face during hand mixing is the addition of too much water than required. And don't try to over mix it, because if you are doing over mixing, then sometime it has taken too long time and initial setting has been started. And the last precaution which you should take is avoid the hand mixing procedure when the sun it is directly exposed to the sun. Now we will discuss about machine mixing. All the materials of concrete, including water, are collected in a revolving drum, and then the drum is rotated for a certain period. The resulting mix is then taken out of the drum. Actually, this concrete mixer, which is used in machine mixing, it is a device which